Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2015 Mazda BT50, stock number 6039. This ran from the 10th 2011 to the 06 2020. Has a P580 3.2 litre turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is the P580 3.2 litre turbo diesel engine. The front headlight has sun cracks. Front bonnet no dents. Left front guard no dents. Left front 17-inch factory alloy mag tyre. Left front mirror. Left front door no dents. Left rear door no dents. Left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag tyre. Left rear tail light. Rear tailgate 1 dent. Right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag tyre. Right front 17-inch factory alloy mag tyre. Right front door card, right front master switch, leather seater console lid, automatic gear shifter, heated AC controls, factory single stack stereo with display cluster, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,